If b over a positive b equals to 7 over 12, then what does a over b equal? Okay, now let me take the given equation as it is, that is b divided by a positive b equals to 7 divided by 12. Now we can do cross multiplication, that is the numerator on the left side has to be multiplied by the denominator on the right side. B times 12 is 12b. The same thing, so here the numerator on the right side has to be multiplied by the denominator on the left side, then we get 7 times a positive b. Okay, 12b equals to, we can distribute this 7 to a and b, then I'm getting 7a positive 7b. Okay, now let me subtract 7b from both sides of this equation. Okay, here positive 7b, negative 7b will cancel out. So when I simplify this one, I'm getting 5b. On the right side, we have 7a. Here we have a question. So why did I subtract 7b from both sides of the equation? My aim is to get the value of a or b. Whenever I want to get the value of a fraction like a or b, so we should have a on one side of the equation, b on the other side. That's why I subtracted 7b from both sides. Now we have a on the right side of the equation and b on the left side of the equation. Okay, since our aim is to get the value of a or b, now what we can do is we can divide both sides of the equation by 7b. So that this 7 will cancel out. Here b will cancel out. We get 5 over 7 on the left side. On the right side, we have a over b. Here I got the stuff that is equal to a over b. That is 5 over 7. We find 5 over 7 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.